So I've been digging up my backyard to put in posts for my workshop, and I keep finding these interesting metal items. A friend of mine happens to have a Sandblaster, and so I think we should bring this stuff over there and see how it cleans up. This looks like it has wording on it. I think it's a cam follower from an old engine, and I'm actually building a steam engine, so I'll keep that, because that could possibly be used to actuate the intake or exhaust valve. That might clean up kind of interesting, I'm not really sure. Kind of curious how the metal of a coin would hold up to sandblasting. And then most of all, we have this, which it appears to be a cast iron, like dollhouse furniture piece. And I mean, if it is, then I probably have a couple friends who want to buy it, who are into antiques, so maybe we can turn a profit. So let's get this stuff cleaned up. So it seems the moisture problems of the Sandblaster are just getting worse and worse. It just does not want to cooperate at all. So it looks like the rust bonded it with all the other junk it was buried with. And it appears that it was actually in like a burn pit. So it's probably a lot of garbage and slag and stuff. Well guys, I got very fed up with this Sandblaster and I started taking it apart. Because it wasn't working. It's been a problem ever since like the past couple months when I first tried to use it. And me and John, the owner, haven't been able to get it to work. And so I took it apart. And there's like a piece of paper, a dead beetle, and a bunch of other shit clogging up the sand tube. No wonder it didn't work. Like, it was all like wedged in there too. There's like a big piece of cotton. I'm not sure what was in there, but maybe something tried making a nest inside here, and it got sucked up inside there, or I don't know. But it works so much. It works like a Sandblaster now. Oh my God. So, let's proceed. Let's proceed. So first off, we have the quarter, and that is, it's gotten a very rough finish. I like it, very frosted. I didn't do too much to this, because after all, it is just an old spark plug, but still cool. Then this, we have some numbers and letters. 7-4, it's like an EC or OB 6564-52. It's hard to tell. And lastly, we have this, which I didn't clean it up all the way because I felt like I would ruin it because it's pretty heavily degraded, but man, that's cool. So the details are really started coming out on it. It looks like it was really designed to be like a wicker chair of some sort. On the bottom we have the marking 2. On the back there's like a crack. It appears to have remnants of a white paint. So that's interesting. But yeah, it's kind of cool. It'd be all in one piece if it wasn't for the one back right leg broke. But that was already broken when I got it, so that's fine. Because it's quite humid, I'm gonna wipe some WD-40 on there just to help keep things from from degrading too much. You know what? That was really fun. I think from now on I'll keep a little collection of random old metal items, and we can clean them up when we get a big enough handful of them. And we might find some interesting things. Might find some things to sell. Like, I bet I could probably sell this for a couple of dollars, $2 or $3. And if I put this in my antique shop booth, I bet someone would buy that for 25 cents. I mean, hey, and that's worth 25 cents already. So hey, making money and having fun and finding parts for the steam engine. All around good fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.